create a contract, okay, condition contract. So we'll create using the customized condition type. It's basically the same condition type as the standard one. Just we have taken a copy and we did the extension so that this is how we can create also a condition contract type of the customized one. So first you enter the customer code and the validity, then you go to sales, enter all sales area data. You can go to business volume criteria, you add the criteria on which the billing documents will be searched by the program. So maybe this first criteria will be sales organization. I want to make the contract validity for this sales organization, and you can take the customer as the code 00002, and also it is for material. You can take any combination. So material, I am using the material. So I am using the material JPF 00001. And for condition table, what is the rate I have to maintain? So I will maintain for the two condition type REA1, RES1. Here you can see that there are two tables are available. So I'm not going for this material, I'm going for this condition contract. So here first table is first condition record is REA1. It is percentage. I can take 1% for the accrual. Second is for the rebate posting. So I can make it rebate posting 2%, 2.5%. So anything will be. So according to the business criteria. Okay. So next you will go for settlement data. If you want to mention the settlement material as the same material, and also you will create the settlement status. Sorry, the calendar. So calendar, I can make 31/03/2027. This contract is valid up to 31/03/27. So I will do a final settlement on the same. But however, we can do the partial settlement in between. So if I can make it, I mean, business can say that it can be done for the quarterly basis, it can be done for the monthly basis. So let me do it is monthly. So I'll just put two dates. You can put many dates as per the requirement from the business. Here I'm mentioning the two dates. Here partial settlement, I have done this process. Now before saving this, I can do the release and I will save. Once you save this, the number is generated. So go to condition, other condition contract, copy the number. So now when I do the sale for this customer and material, before going for sale, I would like to show BF05. My pair is 650002. And I would like to show you that there is no material. So I can take a material. So this is the AP F0001 and also customer. There is, you can see that there is no entry exists. So even I can take it for the period for this year 01 when 26 to 31/03/27. Okay. So all the billing document, even I'm checking for the open billing. There is no billing document which is already generated. So there is no confusion. We are starting from the scratch. So JPOR, the standard type, and here you give the customer code and give the material. You no need to bother about the condition contract, which you link to sales order or anything. So it will be automatically determined by the system. So here we go to deliver. So this is just a credit check, but it will allow to proceed. So now BA02, why the schedule line problem? So schedule line problem is what you see when it is confirmed. So it is confirmed the 20th. So when it is confirmed the 20th, so VL01N will go for the 20th. So we can proceed to and go for the post goods issue. Once you go to post goods issue, your number is 202. So VF01, here 202, just enter, enter, and save. Before save, let us go to the condition where the accrual is determined. So you can see this accrual which maintained, that is 1%, it is determined. So if you save this, your document is generated. Just go to the accounting and see whether the accrual is posted or not. So you can see this accrual, this sales deduction rebate accrual is debited and your rebate provision is credited. Okay. Now it is based upon the 1%. Now suppose I would like to partial settle. So there is no further anything under August. So suppose I would like to settle it for the August and do a partial settlement. Before do the partial settlement, let us go to Chakra. Okay, and see any error message is there. So there is no error message. It is showing this status is C. So this temporary number is there, but it is not posted. So if you would like to post, you have to go for live run or go for simulation again, execute. So here you can see this, there is no message, no error message. So it can be successfully posted. Again, go back, and if you would like to post it on 31st, then make it 31st/08/2026 and 31st/08/2026. Go for. Now you go for the live run. Live run, you can just post the document, settlement document. So execute, your settlement document is created. Now we can see this is already settled. Okay, so other things are warning about the output parameter. Forget about that. Your document is generated and also accounting document created. So you would like to see the document. You can go to the document. This is the document. Otherwise, you got it. WZR2. Okay, for the C, the document. So here WZR3. You can see here. You can see this. We created for the we created for the billing document. Go to billing document for how much we have created. EF02. How much we created? So not this one. This is not for the same material. We go to 7 series 70. So 2BT we created. And what was the condition here? It was 20, but we are going to post 25. So here the 2.5%. Final is 2.5%. So here you would like to see, go to this condition. You see the posting is happening for 2.50 percentage. And what is the sale amount? It is the 2000. It's the sale amount. You see this basis, rebate basis is 2000. Here the same calculation, 2000 is coming up, and the rebate tax is being reversed. So here 25 you are going to, sorry, 50 you are going to post, but reversal you are going for 20. Just see. So go back here, you can see the net amount which you are going to post and the tax amount also 55. So this is being reversed. Tax is also being reversed. Okay, so go to this. Here you can see this tax. Okay, now account assignment. You see the P1 is the automatically determined. You can see the partner. Here you can have the contract number. Basic data B, settlement quantity, and here all the material related details. So pricing element for the customer. And if you would like to see the analysis, you can see the analysis as well. So go back. This is the document flow. You created a condition contract, and based upon that partial settlement you are doing. Okay, so I can give go for WZR3 for seeing the settlement document number. So what is the document number we created? 74. Okay, this is the document number which we created for this material. And go to this customer taxes. You can see the tax amount how it is calculated. 9%. It's the rounding up, so that's why it is 5. Flexible overview, you can see this, all the details. Okay, accounting. So let us go to the accounting document. You see here the customer is given back 55 rupees back, out of which where it is 20 is getting reversed and 50 is giving back. Okay. The 20 we have just reversed in our record because we created a provision in the record. So we are giving a reversal. Okay. So all this account, everything, this account setting, everything is done by the financial consultant. If it is done proper, so all the postings will happen proper here. And here I like to point out. So the transaction key, if you see, it is 0S1, 30S1, and only tax for it is MWS. This is all about the condition contract and settlement management. So any doubt, anything, I just will discuss in the next class, or you can ping me anytime in WhatsApp, or you can send a mail on the mail ID which is mentioned, so that we'll also address on your questions. Thank you everyone. Thanks for joining.